You need a saucepan and then frying pan, and then you need 200 grams of paneer and 4 onions, like this much, 2 inches ginger, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 garlic cloves, and then 4 tomatoes, and 1.5 tablespoons of red chili with coriander powder, homemade, and then this is also homemade garam masala, few pinches of chaat masala, and then kala namak or Hindu Himalayan pink salt, and then chili powder, and then home ground turmeric, and then kasuri methi, and then you need some fresh cream, and I have few fennels in this, and I'll add fennel powder here also.
I am marinating this paneer with home ground red chili powder, home ground turmeric,
and then Kashmiri red chili, salt, and a bit of chaat masala,
home ground garam masala.
I'm roughly marinating this without any water. I'm going to make it into a fine paste. I added fennel seeds in this, and then I'm adding 10 garlic cloves, and then ginger. To make it little fine paste, you need to add a secret, that you need to add instead of any water, you need to add a onion to this. Once I make a fine paste, I'll add it to this pan, and then I'll make a fine paste of onions. Then I will grind this. For tomato, I'll add cashew also to get a fine paste, and then first I'll do this first. So here is the fine paste of ginger, garlic, little bit of onion, and fennel seeds. I'm taking groundnut oil, 5 tablespoons, and I'm adding a little bit of ghee to this. I'm gonna add this paste. In the same mixie, I'm gonna add onions. Let it cook for 10 minutes completely, because you will get a nice aroma texture that when the ginger garlic cooks for a little longer. தீக்கக்கூடாது, ஆனால் நல்லா குக் ஆகிருந்தால் இன்னும் நல்லா டேஸ்ட் கொடுக்கும். எவ்வளோ நேரம் இது குக் ஆகுதோ அவ்வளோ நேரம் இட் வில் பி அ குட் அரோமா, நல்லா அரோமா கிடைக்கும். நல்லா ப்ரௌன் ஆகணும். இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நல்லா ஒரு அரோமா கிடைக்கும். You get a nice aroma. The moment when you get nice aroma, you need to add onion paste. I'm gonna add this fine paste. It should be nice brown, then only you will get a good texture. Nalla onions are vadukano, and then I'm going to make tomatoes and tomato and cashew paste right now. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to this. So in this frying pan, I'm gonna add paneer. Tomato and cashew. If you grind it for more than 2 minutes, it will give you a nice texture to this. So I'm gonna add. Water I soaked for cashew, I'm gonna add to this. Later I will add to this. I'm gonna add salt to this. It's almost 1.5 tablespoon. I'll leave it little. If I want, I can add later. Red chili powder, Kashmiri powder. So I added turmeric, red chili, and Kashmiri red chili, and the salt, and I'll mix this up. I'm gonna add water to this. In final step only, I'll add garam masala and chaat masala to this. First batch of paneer, I'm taking it off. Once it starts getting thickening, I'll add 4 tablespoons of fresh cream. Garam masala, and this one, ouch, chaat masala. I'm adding this paneer to this. I'm added kasuri methi to this. So I'm adding ghee to this. 4 to 5 drops. If you go near to the Punjab side or a Haryana side, the dabas, outer circle, you can taste these kind of ekdam paneer masala. So it's like a dhaba style one with so much of proteins and nutrition to our body. Look at the softness of paneer. Even after we shallow fry.
God bless everyone with a healthy life, and I'll see you all on another interesting video. Take care of you. Bye bye.